Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir, and good morning. My name is Eli Nurarina binti Bahrain. My student ID is 2021-547469. So today I would like to talk about travel and street photography for research and pre-visualize assignment that I chosen Melaka, Bandaraya bersejarah. In this presentation, I will talk about the introduction of myself, the destination that I've chosen, and the reason why, the equipment that I have used for this travel and street photography assignment, and lastly, the conclusion of the presentation. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Eli Nurarina binti Bahrain. I am 22 years old. I was born and raised at Melaka. I have 4 siblings and I am the second one. So during Hari Raya, my family returned to our hometown at Kelantan, and I took the opportunity to visit the interesting places in Kelantan at the same time. Kelantan is offering a journey of mystery, excitement, and luxury that awaits for you with open arms. Kelantan, which is said to translate as the land of lightning, and located in the northeastern corner of the peninsula. Melaka, known as in Malay as Melaka, is a state in Malaysia located in the southern region of the Malay Peninsula, next to the Strait of Malacca. Its capital is Melaka City, dubbed the Historic City. Melaka is noted for its unique history, and it is one of the major tourist destinations in Malaysia. With a highly strategic state position for international trade routes, Melaka was once a well-known international trade center in the east. Many traders anchor in Melaka, especially traders from Arabia, China, and India, traded at the port of Melaka, and from there were born many of the descendants and tribes that exist in Melaka to this day. There is no place like Melaka. Melaka has a new culture, lots of interesting places, beautiful landscapes, beaches, and clear waters. Malaysia is not like anything else. Once a year, you will be surprised by how different everything is from all points of view. Melaka also provides lots of lifetime memories. When you visiting Melaka, make sure to bring your camera to avoid missing any important moments. So the next destination is Klebang. Klebang is a coastal town located along the Malacca Strait in Malacca. The town is located close to the city center and has a beautiful beach that is quite famous called Pantai Klebang. The beach is popular because of the white soft sand that give the beach a desert vibe. The town is a small town and is neighbored by other towns such as Tanjung Kling and Peringgit. It is a nice town to live in for those who prefer living away from the city and closer to the beach. Klebang is an easily accessible town from Center Melaka. Seafood, a genre of dish that has us fighting over who gets the most out of the crab, tiger prawn, clams, oyster, and even fish. I mean, who doesn't love the taste of the ocean, fresh from the shore or aquarium tank, and cooked in different juicy style to bring out the tenderness and flavor of the meat. Each dish will have you craving for more. Start satisfying your craving in Melaka. Who said Melaka don't have a shopping mall? Oh, Melaka have many shopping malls. One of them is Dataran Palawan and Mahkota Parade. Dataran Palawan Melaka Mega Mall is your must-visit place for all your shopping needs in Melaka. This premier shopping destination features over 750 retail shops from fashion to entertainment and a wide range of local and international food and beverage outlets. Nestled amid the colorful architectural heritage of Melaka, UNESCO World Heritage Building like the Porta de Santiago, which is famosa, the mall was awarded 2 commendations for retail development and retail architecture Malaysia in Asia Pacific Property Award 2013 and 2014. Second is Mahkota Parade. Mahkota Parade was the first regional shopping center located in the commercial and tourist center situated in the heart of Melaka town. Makota Parade is positioned as the premier shopping center in the region with Park Sund established as its main anchor. The center serves as the main destination for major community events, tourist events, and the exhibition in the state. The management completed an exit survey of over 1,020 shoppers in 2019 to better understand shopper demographic and behaviors. The major anchor change in 2019 was the opening of the new supermarket, which is Family Store, a local change. Occupancy was 96.4% with 8.4 million visits in 2019. The last destination is Menara Taman Sari. Menara Taman Sari is a 110-meter high tower in the center of Melaka with a revolving viewing platform providing visitors with a panoramic 360-degree view of the city. It calls itself the first revolving gyro tower in Malaysia. There are similar rides in Singapore and Hong Kong among. The fiercely air-conditioned viewing platform can hold 66 passengers, and once there are enough people on board, the ride begins, lifting passengers to a height of 80 meters and rotating for about 7 minutes before descending back to ground level. The technology is Swiss, and the ride was built at a cost of RM24 millions. From the top, you can get a good view of the surrounding area, including the reclaimed Pulau Melaka and out to sea. The nearby Maritime Museum and the scale replica of the Portuguese galleon and the neighboring Makota Parade shopping mall. It's worth doing at the beginning of your visit to Melaka, as it will help you to get your bearing and give you ideas for which attraction to visit next. The equipment that I use is camera Nikon D3500, computer, and iPhone 11. This image has 24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, X-Speed 4 image processor, ISO range of 100 to 5600, 11-point autofocus system through the optical viewfinder, shoots continuously at 5 frames per second, capable with Full HD 108060p video, Bluetooth for image transfer, 6 to 1K dot fixed LCD screen, and lastly, battery rate for 1550 shots per charge. I use ThinkStation P330AH004 MUS Tower Workstation and monitor Lenovo ThinkVision for the Photoshop editing. Lastly, I use iPhone 11 as my main camera. As you can see, it has dual end features such as quad LED, dual tone, flash, and HDR. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.